Hey everyone, in this video we'll be going over one of the smart home solutions we can provide for your home. So next to me I have a thermoelectric actuator. If you're wondering what this is a bit that goes onto each radiator that you have in each room that you want as part of your smart home system that controls the heating. So basically what happens is with this particular device, it's plugged into the wall and wired back to the control processor as part of the smart home system. And then what will happen is we would program it. There would be a sensor in each room that you wanted, obviously, the smart home heating and air conditioning run in. And then that would be programmed, so if the room was 21 degrees and you wanted it set that it comes on to 25, obviously the sensor will gauge it in the room, the system will then go, right, the room's not at the temperature that you want, and then this would open up the radiators and then that will let the heat obviously go to 25 as per its programming. It also helps you save a lot of money as well, because obviously you can set the rooms at certain temperatures. It can also do it program timing wise. If you wanted to come on at 7 o'clock in the evening, for example, stay on for an hour, it will do that. And then as soon as it hits that temperature, the radiators will shut off. So it makes life a lot easier and it's a lot simpler. It's also nice the fact that, as well as if you have a touch panel on the wall, we can also do it via an app. So you've got several control options for this particular thing for the heating element of the smart home system. So one of the main reasons to go smart home, especially with something like the heating and cooling, is that it's discreet as possible, but it's also easier to use and it's far more efficient. So actually long term it makes you savings. Something like this actuator or other models that we do use, they can actually be used for underfloor heating as well. If you did have underfloor, as we know a lot of clients we've done recently have underfloor heating. We are actually putting this in our smart apartment, controlling all the heating and our underfloor heating. For those of you that don't know or haven't seen our videos yet, you can check some of our other videos on our smart home apartment that we're currently in process of renovating. Another nice thing that we do sort of in line with the heating, as I've mentioned, is the air conditioning. So whilst it's not going to be this particular bit, there is another unit and device that we do that controls the air conditioning. So same thing, if it's a summer day or something like that and you want to get your room cool before you get home if you aren't at home, same functionality. Basically we program that into the smart home system, so you can either control it on your app on your phone or mobile device, whatever you've got, and it will set the temperature to whatever you want it to be. Or if you like your rooms in certain temperatures, again it can be set to automatically do that, whether it be via the sensor on the wall or obviously if it's programmed to do so. Another nice feature is if you want different rooms at different temperatures, that can also be done. Hopefully that's given you a better understanding of some of the smart home systems we offer in terms of the heating and air con side. Obviously we do all the smart home systems, including full lighting control and all those kind of things, as well as general audio visual throughout the home. We can also do it from one room throughout a whole home, so that's also not a problem. But yeah, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.